In this video, let me show you how to reset your Epson WorkForce WF-2950. So you're going to press the home button, so we are all on the home screen, and then using the right side arrow, we're going to navigate until we get to settings, then press OK. Now you're going to go down in this menu where you see Restore Default Settings highlighted, and press OK. And now you can reset a few different things. Network is just for Wi-Fi, copy is just for the copy machine, but if you want to do a full reset, you're going to go down and select Clear All Data and Settings. From here, you're going to press OK, select Yes and press OK. And now we're going to wait. The reset has been enabled. It takes a minute or two, and at the end I'll show you how it works. So let me come back when this is done. Okay, I got a message that just disappeared. It says completed, the restore has been done, and this is about it. You have completed the factory reset, and now you can set up this printer once again. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below if it was useful, and I'll see you in the next video.